Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to check and analyze age reports and gender reports in Google Analytics 4. So first of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account and then select your account and property. Then click on reports and then scroll down, and here you can see user, and inside user you will find user attributes. In the user attribute you will find demographics details, so you can see your age and gender data here, but by default it provides country data. So click here on the dimension section and then select age and gender and other metrics if you want to see interests. Like, so I don't have much data, that's why it's not showing here. So if you are not able to see data, that means you don't have enough data, so wait for the data. And if you install recently, it might take some time, at least 48 hours, but you must have good amount of traffic, otherwise you will not see these metrics. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any query you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.